What's up YouTube? You're watching Shoe DIY, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to loosely lace your Jordan 1 mids. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is going to take our lace down through the outside first hole. Bring your lace a little way up into the shoe, and then when you pass your lace across the front, just flatten it out as you go. And then we're going to put the other end of the lace down through the inside first hole, bringing it up again a little way into the shoe. And then we're going to make sure that our laces are the same length on both sides by holding the end and pulling up. And in that way you'll make sure that your laces are nice and even. So to get rid of that twist at the front, just pull your lace a little bit out and back into the shoe. So we're going to start by taking that outside lace across the shoe to the inside second hole. And when you pull your lace over, just make sure you're catching it on your finger, and that will give you a loop then that sits nicely above your first eyelet, and it'll flatten the lace out as well. Then we're going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside second hole. So again, as I go, I'm flattening it out. Helps to keep the lace from twisting, and then when you pass it through, catch it on your finger and you get that nice loop. Then we're going to keep that lace in our hand, and we're going to go across the shoe to the inside third hole. And then we're going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside third hole. And as you can see, if you've got a twist, you just catch it on your finger and you can stop it from being part of the lacing style. So just make sure that as you're working your way up, you're keeping your laces nice and flat. And then we're going to take that outside lace across the shoe to the inside fourth hole. And then the inside lace comes across the shoe to the outside fourth hole. Then keeping that lace in your hand, bring it across the shoe to the inside fifth hole. And then the inside lace comes across the shoe to the outside fifth hole. Then bring that lace across the shoe to the inside sixth hole. And then the inside lace comes across the shoe. Just going to bring that in a little bit, sticking out a little bit too much. The inside lace comes across the shoe to the outside sixth hole. And then we're going to take the outside lace across the shoe, bring it down through the inside seventh hole. And then the inside lace comes across the shoe and down through the outside seventh hole. And then to finish off the lacing style, we're going to take the outside lace, and rather than bringing it around and down, we're going to take it out through that top hole. Bring your lace out a little bit so it hangs out the shoe, and then we're going to take the inside lace across the shoe and taking it out through the opposite last hole. And just make sure that your laces are hanging out the same on both sides, and bring your laces out a little bit. Just check that they're all sitting nice and flat, and all your loops are pretty much the same as you work your way up. Just double check that they're all the same, and there you have your loosely laced Jordan 1 mids. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.